Okay, so this is my biamp setup, the sound test for my biamp setup using the Hi-Fi Media T3S for the low frequencies and the LJM L15D Pro for the high frequencies. I can tell you the difference is like night and day compared to my normal amplifier setup where I'll be using either the T3S or the LJM to power the speakers. Now I'm using both of them and it seems like there's a lot more headroom and it is like almost driving speakers without effort with lots of power, and also the clarity of the sound in terms of the top end is just crystal clear, and also the bass notes are very punchy and very direct, and the vocals are amazing, and the sound stage is just like you're right in front of the live performance. So enjoy.
I was alright for a while. I could smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight. When you stopped to say hello, you wished me